Word of the week.
The word of the week this week is Twitterpated.
Twitterpated. Twitterpated.
Twitterpated captures the tingly, joyful sensation someone feels when they have a crush or fall in love. The teenage boy was so Twitterpated that he spent 15 minutes perfecting his heart hands on the webcam, only to realize he'd been on mute the entire time while confessing his love. The two puffins were completely Twitterpated, nuzzling their beaks together affectionately. The couple was head over heels and utterly Twitterpated with each other.